Danny Blue and I'm taking the Rubik's Cube on a world tour. I want you to try solve it, alright? And you can turn, you can do it like this. Mix it. Mix! Mix it up! Mix more. I try to remember every side and everything. Alright? Look at it, okay? I'm looking at it. What I'm gonna try to do with my cube is solve it. But can you help me please blindfold me? Exactly. Okay. Ah, yeah, one more. Okay, now I am ninja.
He's got photograph memory, that's not fair.
Okay.
No, wrong way, wrong way. To the left, to the left.
No, okay. I can do it like this. I think I'm ready. Yeah, I think I've done it. I complete. This is complete, right? I'm finished. Finish! Now I'm done. It's complete. Maybe not. Maybe I didn't finish. I finished doing the cube. I finished doing your cube. Because you see, is if you see like this, is same side. This exactly same.
Yeah.
This exactly same. And also the same.
that means not the same color,
This
but
side.
same hue. What you same? What have same hue?
Every side is the same. Also this one and also on the back side. Both have the same sides. And on the back, they are also exactly matching. Perfect match. All sides. I know you liked what you just saw. And I also know that you will check out my other videos. Am I right?